welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about university essentials. This video is particularly about residential campus. So I'm just going to be talking about what you need and what you don't. I think people must have already started with their preparations for might be UG or PG. I just wanted to do this video so that every student gets a clarity on what to carry and what is not necessary. Don't waste money like how I did. So let me just start the video. First thing I'm going to be talking about is basic necessities, that is pillows, your comforter and your bed sheets, blankets and etc. Just carry a pillow which you love, because pillows are a must. Carry 2 to 3 bed sheets. It does not have to be fancy. Just spend on good, decent looking bed sheets. Next comes your blanket. If you're going somewhere which gets cold, just carry your comforter. The one thing I want to talk about is when I moved into this room, the bed was rock hard. I took my roommate's suggestion and I ordered this bed, which I'm going to be inserting clips of the bed. 5-inch thick cotton mattress, which is the best decision I made after coming here. It gives that softness for you to sleep better. So that you should add to your wish list. Just go to your university once and then see if the bed is rock hard. If it's not, then you just don't have to buy this product. You can just skip it. Next thing is, I'm just going to be talking randomly. There's no particular order. The next thing I'll be talking about is laundry essentials. This. It is the best thing for your undergarments. You just have to spend 2 minutes, not even that, to wash your undergarments. That is the best product I've used till date. Please add that to your wish list. Next, laundry bag. So laundry bag is an essential because your clothes, before you know, gets piled up. I don't even know why my clothes pile up so much. You will not have a space to keep those clothes. So you need a laundry bag. So invest in one of those. It doesn't have to be expensive. I think I bought off Amazon. It was very cheap. I'll just put a clip of my laundry bag. This is what I use. And then drying rack. Just have a rope from Amazon, because I have a laundry service in this university. I just need a rope, that's it. So I've just got that drying rope, which I'll also put a photo of. So I have this, which is also a great purchase. And then comes your toiletries, shampoos, conditioners, oil, etc. You don't have to buy extra brush, new things, just because you're, moving your life away from your home. You don't need anything new. Just take whatever you have in your room. That's what I learned. I didn't have to spend so much money. Just carry a brush case with you like this. That will help you a lot, because you can carry that with you anywhere. You can just keep it under your bed or something. That's it when it comes to toiletries. Also, just buy a room freshener for one of those days. Thing that comes to my mind is study materials. How I make notes is, I just take a random book, I make partitions and I make notes. That's it. If you are a person who makes actual notes, like you're very organized, you take notes in every class properly, so then I think you can invest in 3-4 notebooks. That's it. I think you can divide it. If you are a person who likes studying on their bed, invest in one of those. You sit on the bed table like this. If you're not, you don't have to invest in those, because I think every hostel room has a study table assigned to an individual. So I think you can just use that. That's enough. I don't think I have to tell about stationery, because you're obviously going to be carrying stationery. Please take a stapler, pin. I think these are the basic necessities you have to carry. Let's talk about storage. You need a lot of storage. So what I have done is, I have bought this. I have just dumped everything I have in that. You should buy this if you have a lot of stuff, because that helps a lot. Just take one big suitcase and everything which you're not going to use on a daily basis. About bag, that just depends on you. If you like tote bags, just carry tote bags. If you like backpacks, just buy a backpack. Which comes to my mind right now is decor items. If you like making your place feel like home, I think you should buy 2-3 things which makes you feel at home. What I have done to my room, all these things, these are not a necessity, but it makes me happy. So do what makes you happy. You will be having hectic days. You should feel like coming back to your room. I think purchasing fairy light is enough to make your room look amazing. You don't have to buy frames like these You don't have to. But again, if that's what makes you happy, go for it. Next thing is medicines. If you are a person who falls sick back to back, please carry your comfort medicines. Do not rely on the hospitals of your universities because they'll not be having stock of what you need. So just buy a first aid kit and put everything you need in that. Carry Eno, gastric medicines, because you tend to skip your breakfast a lot, at least from my experience. So if you're like me, make sure you don't get gastric problems. So make sure you have Eno and Pandy or any gastric medicine which your body is used to already. That's about your medicines. Talking about cleaning supplies, carry a bottle cleaner because that's very important, and carry a EXO cleaner, has Scotch Brite in it. This one, yeah, carry that. Just carry a cloth with which you can clean everything, and that's it when it comes to cleaning supplies. If you want to purchase a doormat, because the doormats which my university provided was very bad, so I just bought my own. Next thing which comes to my mind is food utensils. Carry a lunchbox with you because there are some days where you don't want to get out of your room and you want someone to get you food from your mess. It will be helpful in those times. Next thing is tech gadgets. Please buy that extension cord. You would need that a lot. Also a study lamp. Since you'll be sharing your room, you would need your privacy, and obviously when your roommates are sleeping, you can't switch on the light. So study lamp. So I have this from Amazon. It is amazing. So you can just buy this. It's great. Now comes fashion. I'm a business student, so I have a dress code from Monday to Thursday. You do not need 10 shirts, 20 shirts, no, just 5 solid color shirts and 2 to 3 trousers. You like dressing up, and if you already have everything, do not need more than 3 trousers. I mean, 3 is the maximum. You do not need more than that. Just don't think what I have a dress code from Monday to Thursday, I should have 4 pants, 20 shirts. You don't. You will end up wearing 3 to 4 shirts repeatedly. You will not wear all the things you've bought, trust me. So just make sure you buy what you like and not just, you should have all the colors of the shirts. No, you don't. Get 2-3 saris, your traditional clothes, lehengas for fests, because that is important. Just know what your university does, like what kind of fests they do, just for you to pack clothes accordingly. Thing is perfumes, body mists. Purchase a perfume or a body mist because that is very, very important. You will be walking a lot in the campus. Comes to footwear, please don't buy heels thinking that you will be wearing that heels every day. You can't. You would have to run to your classes if you are not on time. This is a residential campus. Everyone expects you to be on time because you live in the campus. Your classes are just 5 minutes away from where you stay. So heels, of course, so for some occasions it's good, but not always. Just invest in this for formals. It's great. You will get this from Myntra, Amazon. Also invest in socks, lot of socks. It's very important. When it comes to traditional footwear, just invest normal flats like these. If your university allows, carry an iron box. That's also one of the necessities. Next category is fitness. If you exercise on a daily basis, I'm sure you would know, carry your yoga mat because the yoga mats which these gyms have are not good and also are unhygienic. And your water bottle. That's it. That's what you need. Next thing is carry a good umbrella. I have this. It's very big, but it's amazing. That's it. That wraps up our video and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. All the very best for your interviews. Wherever you're planning to go, I hope you get a seat. And I hope you don't regret this decision. There are some bad days, but you need this. You need this experience. I hope this was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.